you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a DIY how to create your own nails at home. So I know many people don't have money to get their nails done, and I know it could be expensive, $30 to $40 and sometimes $60, depends on the design that you want. But I'm here to show you how to do it in a cheaper way, and you can continue to do it at home. So the first thing that you will need are the nails. Now you can do the plastic clear ones, or you can do the white ones. I prefer the clear ones over the nude color nails. I don't know why. I just like the clear ones better because you can see more. So, and they all come in numbers 0 through 9, and just like this just comes through 0 through 9, but I just labeled this one. So also you will need the blue tack for your nails, and you will need the sticks for your nails. Some people use the inner Q-tip. Some people use inner Q-tip. Some people use cocktail sticks, which is this. You can use anything, to be honest. You will need a file, whatever polish of your choice, and a nail clip to file it down. Well, to cut it down rather. So the first thing to do, you're going to measure your nail. So my nail right here is a size 0 for my thumb. So make sure when you're measuring the nail that the nail covers the whole nail bed so that there's no air bubbles. So that's that. And you're going to do the same with measuring the rest of your nails. But when you measure, please make sure that there's no air bubbles in your nails, or they will come off. Also, another great tip is that when you're doing your nails, you have to wait at least an hour before you touch water, or they'll come off as well. I mean, people done it before and have come off, but most of the time it does come off. And then it was like you have to start back over. So I'm just getting my nails out to do the design. I have to size one nail because one hand because one nail for each hand works for both. So this is 0, and make sure you keep them in order, because if you don't, you will get kind of confused. So this is a 4. And at the middle. And then the last one is the pinky. Usually no matter which nail set I get, number 7 is always my pinky. I'd be real surprised when it changes, but it never do. So after a while, you'll get the basic of what nail size you are, and that should be it. So now you have your 5 sets of nails in front of you. So these sticks are right here. You're going to use the blue tack, which is the blue, the gooey stuff that goes on the stick, and you're going to place it around here. So once you place it around here, you're going to take the nail and place it on the back and hold it for a couple of seconds, and it should stick just like this. And then on the top part, now depending on the person, you can file it down to your liking, or you can keep as is. So make sure you get a good press on the back, or it won't stay. So like me, I like to file mine down some more, so I'm gonna clip it and make it kind of medium length. And you're gonna do the same method for all other nails. I don't have to measure like I used to measure, because I've been doing it for a while, so it doesn't take me long to figure out if the lengths are the same or not. But you want to make sure you file down the side of it, the nail, if you're going to cut them, so that you won't cut anyone else when you're shaking hands or something. But if you are not able to correctly file them the same length, you just measure up the length that you want for each, and then you clip from that like that. But like I said, I've been doing it for a while, so it's not hard. Now you can keep your nail that length if you would like, but I prefer shorter nails depending on the event that I have to go to, or longer nails if I decide to go long. But most of the time, if I do wear my nails at work, it has to be short. So you're going to continue to clip. Nails. And when you filing, you're gonna smell this plastic-like smell. I don't know if that's normal, but I sure do smell it. Yeah, 4 more left. Like I said, once you get the practice in of what length you want, what size of your nail, you won't have to measure as much, and you can know what nails fit and what don't. Need some more of the blue. Make sure, like I said, make sure you have some more on the back of for the nail to stick, because sometimes you don't put enough, it's not going to stick. And also with the blue tack, you can leave the blue tack out and it will still not dry out. So I had this on this one for a while and it still hasn't dried out. So blue tack doesn't dry out at all. So now that that is complete, I'm going to take whatever colors. Right now I'm doing lime green on my nails. So you're going to take the polish and put it on top. Now I'm also going to use this glitter too, but in a moment I'll show you how to do that. And this is color 9. So you're going to take your polish and put it on top. Now with this polish, depending on the polish, you have to do more than one coat because of the color. It's gonna be like that. And then you're gonna take another nail and do the same thing. Now you can do your design however you want to do your design. Make sure you get all the nail so they can cover it. And you're gonna make sure you do 2 coats of each set, except for if you do like a glitter top. You don't want to do 2 coats of that. You just need to do the 1 color coat and 1 glitter coat. So the next nail will be also a solid color. So I'm just going to do 2 nails on each hand with the glitter. And most of the time, when you cut your nail, even though the number's not on there, once you size them up, you'll know what nail goes with what and what fits with what. So now we're about to do the glitter. So you're going to want to take a sheet of paper and lay it here, and you want to put your coat on. This is how you get the glitter to stick. So you only want to do 1 coat of the glitter when it comes to the glitter and the regular polish. 1 coat of polish and 1 coat of glitter. You're going to take the glitter and you're gonna shake it on top. It's okay if it falls off because, like I said, that's what the paper's for. You're gonna shake it on top like that. And then you're gonna also do the second nail the same way. Now when it's time to do the top coat, you don't want to put the top coat on when your nail polish is still wet. I prefer that you do it the next day and let it sit for another hour or two and then wear your nails. I wouldn't prefer to put it on the same day because to me, I think the top coat lasts longer. Well, not lasts longer. It shines more when you put it on the next day. Like even if you wash your hands, it's okay. It'll still be on there. So you're gonna take it and dump it like that to make the coat. So now that is done, I'm gonna do the other ones the same way. And once the glitter is on there, you don't have to touch that again until the next day to put the top on. So you just need one layer of polish and one layer of the glitter. So I'm almost done with that. So now that is done, I'm going to do another set of glitter. Now, as you can see, most of the glitter is out. So I'm going to see if I can use a little bit of glitter that's left in there before I put it back in this container. You want to make sure you get all the edges of the nail. And you're going to take it again and pour it on there. Like, see, that's not enough. So I'm going to put this nail down. I'm going to take this, be careful so you won't waste it, and pour it in the container again. You're going to pour all of it, just pour enough so that you can add some more glitter to your nail. See, now there's glitter on there. You're going to do that last one the same way. You're going to take the nail, place the top coat on top, place the nail polish on top. Make sure you get all the angles of the nail. And you're going to take the glitter on the nail and pour it on top. That's how you get the glitter to stick. And if you don't put a top coat on, it's going to be rubbing off. But once, like I said, once your nail dry and you put the top coat on, it will stick. And then for the other nails, you already did the first coat, you're going to do a second coat. And you should get like a thicker color. Like that. Make sure you get all the ends and make sure there's no smudges, because if you do have a smudge or too much on one nail, it could look bumpy and it's not going to look natural as if you went to the nail shop. You don't want that look on your nails. And if you see like the nails on the side poking out, just press it with your hands. Oh, make sure you get all the corners, because like I said, sometimes with the clear nail, it's hard to miss. So we're going to do the last one. Sorry, you guys. We're going to do the last one and paint it on. Like that. See, it should look like this. So this is the nail with the regular coat, and then you have the other nail with the glitter. Like that. So you'll be able to have your nail set. So once this is done, you're going to take your top coat, whatever top coat of your choice, and then place it on top. Now I usually do it the next day, but I'm going to come back in a couple of hours and we're going to see if it's dry or not, and then we're going to place the top coat. But like I said, I usually do it the next day. I don't usually do it the same day. So All right, you guys. Thank you, and we'll be back in a couple of hours, and see you soon. Thank you.
1, 2, 3.